Hello everyone, my name is Olabanji and welcome to this series today. Today we are starting our beginner-friendly series on Microsoft Word. If you are completely new to Word or maybe you've only used it a little, don't worry. This series will walk you through everything step by step. In today's lesson, we are going to cover the absolute basics, what Microsoft Word is and why it is useful, how to open the program, a quick tour of the workspace, the ribbon, the toolbar, and the document area, how to create, save, and close a document. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing program created by Microsoft. Think of it like a digital notebook, but way more powerful. You can type text, format it, insert pictures, create tables, and even design professional looking documents like letters, reports, and resumes. Now, how do we open Word? On a Windows computer, you can click on the Start menu. This is the Start menu. The Start menu. You click and you type Word into the search bar. You will see the Word icon appear. Just click it. So I'll be using Word 2013 and Microsoft Word will launch. When Word opens, you will see a start screen. This lets you choose from different templates like document, like blank document, essential letters, and reports. So for beginners, let's click blank document. This opens a fresh page where you can type anything. Now, let's take a quick tour of the screen. At the top, you will see the ribbon. This is the ribbon. That's the long toolbar filled with tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Acrobat. Each tab contains groups of commands you can use. For example, the Home tab is where you find font styles, the size, the italic, the bold, the underline, and the alignment, and many more. Just as the Insert tool where you find the table, the picture, shapes, smart art, chart, screenshot. You can see that. So below the ribbon is the document area. These big white spaces where you can type your text. Think of it like a digital paper. At the very top left corner, you will see the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar. It usually has shortcuts for savings, undoings, and redoing actions. You can customize this later. For now, let's leave it as it is. Now, let's try typing something simple. Click anywhere in the document and type, hello, hello, this is my first Word document, you will see the text appear on the screen. So congratulations, you have just created your first typed sentence in Microsoft Word. Next, let's talk about saving your document. Saving is very important because you don't want to lose your work. So for you to save, click on File, which is the top left corner. Then choose Save As. Here you can pick where to save your file on your computer, in a folder, or even in the OneDrive if you want cloud storage. So give your document a name. For example, day one practice. I'm going to save it on the computer. Choose desktop, then change the file name. Word practice. Word practice day one. Then click on save. You can see the document title has changed from being document 1 to Word practice day 1. So to open it again later, just go to the folder, which is go to File, click on Open. You can see Word practice day 1. That is if you want to open it later. So if you want to close the document, click the X. You can click the S here. This is close. So that is at the top right corner. Word might ask if you want to save before closing. Always click save if you have made changes. So that's it. That's it for today. You have covered the basics. What Word is, how to open it, what the workspace looks like, and how to type and to save and close a document. In our next lesson, we will dive deeper into formatting tests, things like changing font, style, size, and color to make your document more attractive. If you found today's tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and follow along for the rest of the series. Work smart, not harder. See you in the next word trick.